My name is Anant Iyer. I am the director with India Machine Mart Private Limited. We have a fleet of about 11 backhoes of CAT 424, which have been working with various metro projects. The one thing which is strikingly important for our decision making as far as purchasing of CAT is concerned is their robust design with very versatile stage 5 CAT engine and a better efficiency and a better productivity. In terms of the productivity, it's nearly better by 10%. The operator comfort is also better. One of the key features of CAT 424 is it being a robust design. Even after our first machine clocked 7,500 hours, we still find the machines to be equally good looking, equally presentable, and we still expect it to look the same even after clocking 10,000 hours.